Exploring VidIQ AI Generator, the ultimate review. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of VidIQ AI Generator. Let's explore this tool and decide whether it's a game changer or a flop. VidIQ AI Generator is a cutting-edge software that claims to revolutionize video content creation. It utilizes artificial intelligence to generate video ideas, titles, tags, and descriptions, all with the goal of boosting your YouTube presence. But is it good or bad? Well, that depends on your perspective and needs. On one hand, VidIQ AI Generator saves you valuable time and effort by automating the brainstorming process. It analyzes your existing content and suggests strong ideas tailored to your channel's niche. Furthermore, it generates attention-grabbing titles, relevant tags, and optimized descriptions to enhance your video's discoverability. These elements are crucial for attracting more viewers and growing your subscriber base. However, some may argue that VidIQ AI Generator lacks human creativity. While it excels at providing data-driven insights, it may struggle to capture the unique voice or perspective that sets your content apart. It's important to strike a balance between AI's recommendations and your artistic vision.
Ultimately, VidIQ AI Generator can be a powerful ally in your video creation journey, helping you maximize your reach and engagement. It's a versatile tool that can benefit both beginner and experienced YouTubers. Many successful creators have harnessed the power of VidIQ AI Generator to skyrocket their channels. Its advanced analytics, keyword research, and competitor insights give invaluable assistance in formulation and execution of winning strategies.
In conclusion, VidIQ AI Generator is a valuable resource for content creators, provided it is used wisely. By leveraging its strengths while maintaining your creative sensibilities, you can stay ahead in the increasingly competitive YouTube landscape. Thanks for watching. We hope this review helped you understand the capabilities of VidIQ AI Generator. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights to level up your content creation game.